What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tarek Dominique, and I'm back with another install. I received this wig from Alipearl Hair. It's a 5x5 lace closure wig in 22 inches. If you want to see this look, then continue watching. Alright, you guys, in the packaging, it came in this bag, and here is the wig. It came with lashes and a wig cap. Alright, I'm taking this Got2b glue in the black bottle to lay down my edges. I want to smooth them out of the way. Now I'm going to pull my wig cap down. And I'm going to take this Got2b freeze spray to spray it in front of my hairline. Only where the closure is. Well, will be. And I'm taking this blow dryer to just blow dry completely dry. And this is optional. I'm just cutting out a hole for my ears. Now I'm going to take needle and thread. I'm going to sew the cap down where the closure will be. So I'm kind of creating a box. Now I'm going to take this Ruby Kisses concealer, and I'm only going to put the concealer where the closure will be. Now I'm going to take these scissors and I'm going to cut along the hairline, only using the cap where the closure will be. The rest of the cap I don't need. Now I'm going to take this Cool Mist astringent and I'm going to use this Q-tip to clean off the excess makeup and dirt. And now I'm taking the Ghost Bond and I'm only laying a thin layer. This is just to secure the wig cap. And I'm going to spread it evenly and wait till it dries clear. Here's the wig, blow dried and washed. Here's this even lace tint I sprayed on the closure, and I'm taking the Got2b spray to conceal it and blow drying it. Now I'm taking this Ghost Bond and I'm laying 2 layers, and these will be pretty wide. I'm gonna wait till it dries clear. I'm using the Got2b spray to get all of the hairs out of the way. And now I'm going to lay down the closure wig, but I'm not going to press it in until I get it where I want it to be. And once I place it where it's supposed to be, then I will use the comb to press it in. Now I'm going to use the Got2b spray to melt the lace in, and then I'll use the blow dryer to dry everything. Now I'm going to use my scissors to cut in the middle. Then I'll use the eyebrow razor to remove the lace. And you want to be careful when you're doing this. Then I'm going to use the end of the rat tail to put some of that Ghost Bond glue where the lace was lifting. And once that's dry, I'm going to use the comb to just press it in. Now I'm going to use the Got2b spray again to melt the lace into my skin. Then I'm going to take this blow dryer again and blow dry it until it's dry. Now I want to use this silk head wrap to lay down the lace. And I'm going to blow dry it a little bit, and I'm going to double wrap it with another head wrap. And while that is melting, I'm going to use my wand curlers by Red. And they get super hot. And you see how I spread the hair out kind of to get that curl? You want to make sure the hair is spread out evenly. Alright, this is how it's looking. I removed the head scarf. Now I'm going to take out the hair that will be my baby hairs. I'm going to use the wand curlers to just smooth the hair out of the way. Then I'm going to take the Got2b spray to melt the lace even more. I'm using the eyebrow razors to just cut the baby hairs. And I'm using the Nairobi mousse to lay everything down. Now I'm going to part my hair in the middle. And using more than Nairobi mousse to, it's a bit of a hump up there, so I'm going to try to lay it down a little bit. And I'm using the silk wrap again to melt the lace. I'm trying to get this perfect melted effect. Now I'm going to use this edge brush comb, and I want to create the baby hairs. And I tied it down again to melt the baby hairs in. And this is how it looks. I'm just finger combing the curls, and I'm using this Baby Bliss flat iron just to give it that flip that I wanted. And this is how it turned out. It turned out so beautiful. I feel like I did a great job with melting this lace. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.